Okay, aloha mai kākou. Welcome to our ʻAʻA i ka ʻōLELO virtual Hawaiian language class. Okay, ka lā ʻumikūmakahi o Pepeluali, he poʻaha kēia. Today we're going to be talking about ʻōpaʻa number 4. Yeah, but we're going to do a review first from the previous ʻōpaʻas. So let's do this, y'all. So, okay, here's our agenda for today. Pretty normal stuff that we start off with, all the Loina, Hō Mai, and our practice. I'm going to go over Hō Mai though with you folks, just quickly, just so that we can all kind of have it for next class and get it off for next class. And then today's ha'awina is going to be about NΑ HELU, or numbers. So yeah. Hello. Okay. Yeah, so numbers, and we'll do some breakout rooms and wrap up at the end. So, okay, so aloha mai kākou e nā haumana. Welcome to our ʻAʻA i ka ʻōLELO virtual Hawaiian language class. If you can all please type your answers in the chat to ʻOwai koinoa. If you were here in the previous classes, you know that means what is your name. Okay, so what is your name? If you want to just write it in English, that's totally fine. You don't have to write out the whole Hawaiian sentence. Also, can you answer noho oi ʻEHIA? Where are you joining us from, or where do you currently live? I mean, we answered that, some of us, but if you can just do that again, if you can do that in Hawaiian, that would be mekaʻi. And then also, he aha kau mele punahele. So let's start building pilina with each other. So what is your favorite song? So for my answers, they would be O Kumukānuola, Solatorio Ko'uino, Noho au I Kewala Uka. And my favorite song is, I mean, I have lots of favorite songs, but currently my favorite song is, I don't even know, Ea Ke Aloha, which is by Kainani Kaunele, who's always also probably, or she is my favorite artist of all time. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, we'll see your answers in the chat come in. If you can just share, if you want to share, you don't need to if you don't want to, but just, yeah, building pilina with our cousins from around the world. So there we go. All right, so I'm going to ask a few of you to read our Loina for us, our values that we practice throughout this class. And I'm going to try and call on some new people or some new faces that I maybe never called last time. So Midori, aloha Midori. Can you read this first line for us?
Yes. First line?
Yeah.
Right. Yes. It's where wait, which one?
Right here. Yeah.
Oh, right here. Hi. Aloha kekahi ikekahi.
And in English, that is?
In English, love one another, we are an ohana.
Mahalo, arigatou gozaimasu. Okay, next one, can we get Haley? I think there's only one Haley. Can you read the second one?
Ho'ihi aku, ho'ihi mai.
Okay.
Be respectful on camera and in the chat.
Good job.
I'm actually not Haley.
Oh, are you Haley Cheney?
I'm actually Julian, but Haley logged in on my computer last time, so I'm Haley for class.
Is that Haley Cheney?
Yeah, it's Haley Cheney.
Okay, cool. Aloha. Okay, if we can get Emma Birch for number 3.
KOU LÀ HԱNAU. Strive to be the very best you can be.
Perfect. So yeah, another good thing for all of your, you know, everyday life. I think I changed you, Julian. Is it Julia or Julian? Sorry. And then one more, Tobias.
ʻAʻA i ka ʻōLELO mai hila.
And that means?
Dare to speak, don't be ashamed in class.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so these are our Loina that we're going to be following. Good, so let's do our Oli e Hō Mai. I'm going to just review it really quickly with you folks. So can I actually have Erika, can you ho'opili mai repeat after me? And everyone at home, you're going to ho'opili mai repeat after me. We'll go line by line. So e Hō Mai.
E Hō Mai.
Ka ike mai.
Ka ike mai.
Luna mai e.
Luna mai e.
Okay. And can I get a raise of hands? Who already knows this Oli? Just from, I don't know, another school or before a couple of us. Okay, okay. No, that's good. So yeah, it's good that we go over it. Okay, so that's my ka'i kapua. Can you help me with the second line? Ona mea,
Ona mea,
huna no'eo,
huna no'eo,
ona mele.
ona mele.
Okay, so those two lines grant us knowledge from above, the knowledge hidden in the chants, and then our last line, Leina ala, you get the hardest one. E Hō Mai,
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 e.
E.
Oh, there you go. Okay, so again, grant us knowledge. Okay, so I'm gonna chant it, listening, and then you're going to repeat after me. Okay, and again, ʻAʻA i ka ʻŌLELO, ʻAʻA i ke oli, ʻAʻA i ka hula, all this stuff. No one's gonna judge you at home. Just don't turn on your mic, because if you turn on your mic, then we're gonna judge you. Nah. Okay, ready? E Hō Mai. We'll try that. Yeah, we'll take it section by section. So, E Hō Mai. Your turn. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. E Hō Mai ka ike mai. Okay, try that one. E Hō Mai ka ike mai. Okay. And then we'll try the whole line. E Hō Mai ka ike mai luna mai e. Okay, with me and pa. E Hō Mai ka ike mai luna mai e. A plus. Yay. Karen, can you try with me? Or I'll say it and you can repeat.
Ai.
E Hō Mai ka ike mai luna mai e.
E Hō Mai ka ike mai luna mai e.
You see she had the EE inside her leo. So good job, Karen from San Francisco. Okay, next, let's go to our second line. It's pretty similar, kind of that same as the first, same leo. O nā mea huna no'eo. Is that too long? No, it's not. O nā mea huna no'eo. Okay, try that with me. And o nā mea huna no'eo. Okay, make sure you pronounce this. What is this? What is this thing over here? This little mark? Okina. It's our okina. So make sure you pronounce that. O nā mea huna no'eo. Together again, and o nā mea huna no'eo. Good. O nā mele. Louder. Louder. O nā mele. Okay, that whole line is going to sound like this. O nā mea huna no'eo, o nā mele. This A at the end, you see how it ends with A and it goes into another A? It's kind of like we call it a diphthong. We just glide right into it, okay? So chanting with me, and then we'll do it, I'll call in somewhere. O nā mea huna no'eo, o nā mele. You guys try by yourselves. Ready? Yeah, go. Can I ask Luca, Pi'ilani? Oh. ʻAʻa i ka hula, or ʻaʻa i ka ʻōLELO.
Okay. O nā mea huna no'eo, o nā mele.
Good job, my ka'i. Okay, and our last line, easy, really easy. E Hō Mai, e Hō Mai, e Hō Mai e. Okay, let's try it with me, and e Hō Mai, e Hō Mai, e Hō Mai e. And that's pretty much it. Again, this is asking us for wisdom, knowledge, especially during our papa. Having our kupuna with us is the best thing. So, yeah, let's try from the beginning. And the only thing about this, yes, it's short, but you're going to say it 3 times. Each time you're going to go up an octave. So it's going to go, you know, lowest, medium to the highest. Okay, so just following me. And okay, so palikekua, everyone sitting up. Makoko. I'll start with Hō Mai pa, and then we'll go the first time, second time, third time. Hō Mai pa. Hō Mai ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo, o nā mele. Hō Mai, Hō Mai. Hō Mai, Hō Mai, ka ike mai luna mai e. O nā mea huna no eo, o nā mele. Hō Mai, Hō Mai, Hō Mai, Hō Mai. Ike mai luna mai e, o nā mea huna no eo, o nā mele. Hō Mai, Hō Mai, Hō Mai e. Good job, everyone. Let's have a good class. Okay, so we're going to review what we did last week, which was our e ho'opini mai mo'oku auhau. Mo'oku auhau, and someone in the chat or privately, Mahalo, Richard, someone privately tell me what does mo'oku auhau mean, okay? Or everyone can answer. Good, yep. Rhymes with genealogy. It is our genealogy. Okay, so our genealogy, we're gonna try and do a few of our, maybe just our immediate family, our parents and us. And here is my genealogy. Again, I can say these live for you, but I recorded the video, so here's the video. O Samuel Kekane, o Marilyn Kawahine, o Noho Pūlaua a Hānau ia o Samuel Kekane. O Kau'i Kekane, o Carrie Kawahine, o Noho Pūlaua a Hānau ia o Kapi Kawahine. O Samuel Kekane, o Kapi Kawahine, o Noho Pūlaua a Hānau ia o au o Jona Kahanua Sorotoni. Mahalo. Okay, so I'm gonna have you guys fill out this, maybe you guys can type it out. So just fill out the first with your father's name, Kekane, your mother's name, Kawahine, Wonoho Pūlaua a Hānau Iau, and then your name at the end. Okay? I'll give you guys a minute, and while that's happening, I'm gonna call on our kākou if they can read or say their mo'oku auhau. So who wants to go first? Period. Kapua.
All right.
Alrighty.
O Chad Kekane, o Annette Kawahine, o Noho Pūlaua a Hānau ia au, o au o Kapua he wahine.
Mahalo. Okay. Second. Erika.
Hikino. O John Kekane, o Tomoko Kawahine, ua noho pūlaua hānau ia au, o au o Erika he wahine.
Okay. And Loina, aloha.
O Kilauea Kekane, o Marlene Kawahine, ua noho pūlaua a Hānau ia au, o au o Lena Ala he wahine.
Okay. Okay, thank you. All right, so as they come in, does anyone want to read their mo'oku auhau for us? And I'm going to try and do someone that I never got to call last week. It's, you know. Yeah, so who didn't get to go last week? I'm going to call on Billy Terrell. You think you can try?
Aloha.
Aloha.
O William Kekane, o Patricia Kawahine, ua noho pulaua a hānau ia au o ao o Billy he wahine.
Mahalo Makai. Okay, and now let's all just share mo oho. Without our mics, you guys can just leave your mics off. But again, when we say our ohana names, then they'll live on, they'll continue to live on. So teach this to your family, you know, teach this to your kids. And so then they know who their grandparents are, they know who their great grandparents are, and keep going on and on and on if they can. Okay, so ready? Ea kumo kuahau a oya. O Samuel Kekane, o Kapi Kawahine, ua noho pulaua a hānau iau, o wau o Jonah Kanu o Solatorio he kane. Okay, okay. Good job, everyone. So that was our review from last class, but now I'm going to add a little bit more to our, what's it called? Our practice, which would be Ho'oma. But yeah, we're going to learn the terms for our siblings. And in Hawaiian, it's very specific. In ʻŌLELO Hawaii, it's very specific. So you don't just have brother, sister. You have specifically if you're older sibling, younger sibling, and then if you're brother of a girl or sister of a boy. Okay? So repeating after here. I'm going to call on a few of you, if you can repeat after me. Alihilani, can you ho'opili mai? Kai kua ana.
Kai kua ana.
And that is your?
Older sibling of the same gender.
Okay, so who would your kai kua ana be? It would be your older, alihilani, sorry.
Older sibling of the same gender.
Yeah, so that would be your older sister, yeah? And then for me, it'll be my older brother. Okay, does that make sense? Only if you're your gender, then that would be your kai kua ana, your older sibling. Okay, the next one, I'm gonna ask Dorcas Fo. Can you repeat after me?
Yes.
Kai kaina.
Kai kaina.
Okay, so younger sibling of the same gender for you would be your younger sister. For me, it would be a younger brother if I had one. Okay, Maikai, thank you. Let's go to the second page. I always leave the second page out. Let's go with Adela Hano Hano. Kai kuahine.
Kai kuahine.
Okay, so that's a sister of a boy. So would you have a kai kuahine?
Ole.
Ole, yeah, because only boys, only males. Yeah, it was a kind of a trick question, but only males can have kai kuahine. Okay, and then our last one, kabag bag. Kai kunane.
Kai kunane.
Okay, so kai kunane is the brother of a girl. So, would you have a kai kunane? I don't.
No.
Another trick question. Yeah, no. Okay, so yeah, and we're doing the same thing as how we do with our parents. So instead of saying ko'u makua kane, we're just going to fit in where they are. Okay, so fit in, fit in, fit in, fit in. Again, like math equations. Okay, so for me, I would say, if I'm just talking about my one sibling, my one older brother, I would say, o kilipaki ko'u kai kua ana. Okay, kilipaki ko'u kai kua ana. So everyone choose one of your siblings' names, and then whatever they are, older, younger, sister, brother, and type that out in the chat for me. O name ko'u kai kua ana, kai kaina, kai kuahine, or kai kunane. Okay. Good. And if you're only a child, lucky you. Okay, good. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You're just choosing one, and then we'll learn how to add more. Choose your favorite sibling. The other ones, Okay, so let me call a few of you. Lori Lyon, can you read yours, what you wrote?
O Mary ko'u kai kua ana.
Okay, O Mary ko'u kai kua ana. Let's do one more. Kawai and Sarah, can you both read yours, please?
Okay. O Lawrence ko'u kai kunane.
Okay.
O kai ko'u kai kaina.
Maka'i. Good. Okay. Now, if you have more than one, this is how you would say you have more than one of that same sibling. So it's weird because you cannot really say, I have one kaikua ana, one kaikaina, one kaikua hine, all in one sentence. You're going to have to make different sentences, if that makes sense. Okay, so hopefully you have more than one sibling of like a kaikaina. So let's just choose kaikaina. Even though you don't, you might not have, maybe you're the youngest. Let's just all use kaikaina as the example. Okay, so choose two names in your family, random. So for me, it would be o ulalia laua'o, which shows and, kilipaki, ko'u mau kaikaina. Ko'u mau kaikaina. Okay. Ai, Akiko, you can. Maka'i, Akiko. It's going to be ko'u though, Akiko, because it's your generation and above, yeah? Good. Okay. And guess what? This just review, y'all, or like kind of review. We didn't even start the lesson yet. Okay, so I'm gonna have Kekai Malu. Can you read yours, please?
Okay. Oh, kaila'au. It's not the same gender, but o kaila'au lawa o keopu'u holehua ko'u kaikaina.
Okay. Good job. Okay. And then lastly, I mean, I don't think we gotta go over this one, but this is just if you have more than one of the same term. And instead of saying lawa is only with two people. If you're gonna say ame, if you have more than one or more than two, so three or more. Okay, you can practice if you want, but I'm just gonna move on because we're at 7 o'clock already. Jesus. The schedule. Hello. Okay. Well, that's my mom and her sisters right here, and then her parents. So that would be the example, but we don't have time. So, alrighty. All right, let's do our ha'awina for this week, and that is about ʻOpaʻa number 4 is about NΑ HELU, e ho'opili mai, NA HELU. Okay, so NA HELU is numbers. Okay, who already knows how to count from 1 to 10 in Hawaiian? Raise your hand. Yeah, a few of us, kind of. Yeah. Okay, maka'i. And if you don't, that's totally fine. That's why you're in this class, yeah. But numbers, I mean, we pretty much use numbers every day. If it's to tell time, if it's to enter our passcode in our phone, you know, mine is 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so we use numbers every day. It's important. So that's why I dedicated a whole lesson to this. And we could probably dedicate 2 lessons to this, but we'll see what we can cram into this lesson. So our ʻŌLELO no ʻEAʻo for this one kind of has to do with numbers. Is repeat after me. Pupu kahi I holomua. Pupu kahi I holomua. So unite in order to progress. Yeah, which is fitting for if you're in a family, if you're in a class, if you're at your job. So I want you guys to answer, what does this ʻŌLELO no ʻEAʻo mean to you? And you can put that in the chat for me, please. Akiko. Yeah. Okay, so for me, it's just like this class. I wouldn't be nothing without you folks. I wouldn't be have the class if I didn't have Haumana to teach. So the more you guys come back to class and participate and invite people to join us, the more we can progress together. And for me, you know, I'm going to do anything for my Hawaiian language. I'm going to do anything for my Hawaiian people. And to see you folks take on this kuleana, it's pretty much the same thing. You're here for a reason, and you want to learn, and you want to share our culture, even if you're not Hawaiian. Mahalo for taking on the kuleana. So yeah, let's progress. Let's pupu kahi I holomua. Let's progress together. Okay, maka'i. Good. Everyone's answers come in as maka'i. Thank you. All right. I mean, right at the beginning, we're just going to jump into this with our helu. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to call on you, and you're just going to take a guess, okay? So even if you may know it, you may not, I'm just going to call on you, and you're going to take a guess when I highlight what the number may be, okay? So Don't be ashamed if you get them wrong. Doesn't matter. We're good. Emma Birch, can you give us this first one? So what do you think 6 would be in Hawaiian?
ʻEHIA.
Good guess. We're gonna go with ʻEOno. But yeah, no be ashamed. It was wrong. It's okay. Okay, our next one. Let's go with Emily and Josh. So this blank square, which would be 0.
Ole?
Ole. Good. Okay. Ole is 0. And everyone repeat after me. Ole. Okay, good. Next one. Let's go with Melissa and Azare.
ʻEHA.
Good. So Emma, this was ʻEHA. Okay. So this 4 is ʻEHA. Okay. Good. Jamie Laird. Oh, sorry.
Elima.
Elima, 5. So how do you say your last name? Call it mine.
Laird.
Layered. Got it. Like a layered cake.
Yeah, it's Mahalo.
Okay. Amanda P, you want to try this? So Elima is 5. Can you just take a guess out of the ones on the left what this could be?
Ilua?
Okay. Close, but no, just kidding.
Sorry.
Just joking. Okay, so that's gonna be Ava. 9 is Ava. Ava. Okay, but guess what? Amanda P. The next one is Elua. So you were close, I guess. Okay. I'm gonna call on Amanda Jimenez.
Sorry, Umi.
Umi, yeah, easy. Umi, the only different one, or Ole and Umi. So, yeah. Okay, and I'll just do the rest. So this next one, Ehiku. Okay, our first one, Ekahi. I'm sure you heard of Ekahi before. Maybe Ekahi is 1, which means 9 is Evolu, and 3 is Ekolu. Okay, so if you want to screenshot this now, you can. It will probably help you with as we move on. And you can leave the screenshot in that folder. If you create a folder, leave it right there. But a way that I teach this and help retain the numbers is with a mele or a song. Yes, kalame. Oh, yeah, I typoed. My bad. But yeah, we go with a song, and that's normally we talk about popoki or cats, but I'm just gonna change it and do haumana. So students, so just singing at home, repeating after me. You're gonna go ekahi, elua, ekolu haumana. That's too high. Ekahi, elua, ekolu haumana. Okay, you guys go and go. Ekahi, elua, ekolu haumana. It helps if you do the finger thing, so Okay, ekahi, elua, ekolu haumana. ʻEHA, ʻElima, ʻEono haumana. ʻEhiku, ʻEwalu, ʻEiwa haumana. Umi haumana ʻōlelo. Umi haumana ʻōlelo. Leina ala, can you type that last part in? Umi haumana ʻōlelo. So again, haumana is student, or haumana ʻōlelo is language student. So we're pretty much counting the people in this class, I guess. Okay, so let's try that one more time. Sing it with me. Yeah. Oya. Ekahi, elua, ekolu haumana, ʻEHA, ʻElima, ʻEono haumana, ʻEhiku, ʻEwalu, ʻEiwa haumana, umi haumana ʻōlelo. You gotta do the dab at the end. Just do it. Just do it. I know, it's corny, just do it. Okay, good job. There, you guys look awesome. All right, so that's our song, that's our numbers. And if we all went through preschool or elementary, mele really, our songs really help us to retain and get that information in. So, I mean, if you're just at home or if you're waiting for a Zoom meeting, sing this song and then you'll get it pa'a by next class. Okay. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna go a little bit into harder territory, and that's when we go from 10 through 19. 10 through 19. Okay. So the good thing about it is that it's kind of similar. It's kind of you're gonna hear similar terms from 1 through 10, but what it pretty much is addition. Say so 10. What is 10? Everyone write privately what 10 is in the chat. Privately, please. Okay, good. And if you don't know, we're gonna go past 7:30. So, I mean, that's just how it goes. Maybe I forgot. I gotta change it to 8 o'clock. But if you like to stay, stay. If you don't, bye, Felicia. Okay, so good. Umi is 10. So if we think about it, if we go to 11, pretty much what we're gonna do is we're gonna go 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1. Okay, so instead of saying e kahi for 1, we're just gonna take out the okina I and we're gonna go kahi. Okay, so we're gonna go like this. Umi ku makahi. E ho'opili mai. Umi ku makahi. Umi ku makahi. So if you think about it, kuma means or could symbolize a plus. What is that? A plus sign. It literally means to stand with. So 10 stands with 1. 10 stands with 1. If you remember that, it'll help you with all of the numbers as we go on. Okay, so 10 stands with 1. Let's try some more. So I'm just going to give you random ones. Thank you, Erika. Let's do 13. Can you guys take a guess? Either look at the side or just randomly. You know that 10, what 10 is. If you remember what 3 is, then I think you got it. Good. Good guess, Lele. Try one more time. Good, everyone. Okay. All right. I'm going to call on Nancy Lorenz.
Which number?
The 13.
Oh, umi kuma e kolu. Kolu.
Yeah, umi kuma kolu. Good. So you don't need that e, yeah?
Right.
Okay, good. So umi kuma kolu, we'll grab it and we'll put it over there. All right. Next, let's go with I don't know, 16. You know that first part, so I'll just give you this page to help you out. So 16. Look where 6 is. Take out the okina I, then you got it. It's math. Our favorite subject, math. Okay, good. All the answers coming in on my cutty. Let's call on Christy Aki. You want to take a guess as to 16?
Umi kuma ona. Umi kuma ona.
Yeah. Umi kuma ona. Good. Okay. And you know, the rest can pretty much, you can figure it out. So what I just want you guys to do is choose one number and write it out. So put the numerical form, then equals, and then the Hawaiian in the chat. And that can be public because everyone's going to do different ones. So yeah, but put the numerical so I know that you're correct. Irene, so you see where you just put umi kuma elua? You don't need that E, that A in Hawaiian. You would just do umi kuma lua. Okay. Good. Okay, I'm gonna see if this works. The number you chose, just when it comes to your turn, just yell it out. And hopefully it's not crazy. Okay, so if I highlight it, then turn on your mic, and if you're the first one, then you'll get a high five. Okay, ready? This one.
Umi kumavalu.
Umi kumavalu.
Okay, high five. Okay, this one.
Umi kumalua.
Good. Right here.
Umi kumaiva.
Kumaiva.
Correct. This one.
Umikumaha.
ʻEHA.
You
Umikumaha.
you guys are crazy. You guys are too much. Yeah, and this one.
Umikumalima.
Umikumalima.
And lastly, this one.
Umahiku.
Okay, mic's off. Okay, everyone, mic's off. Okay, no, good job though. Yeah, so that's how we come with these numbers. And little pop quiz right here. I'm gonna have you guys read out these 4 right here. So put these privately, and then we'll call on someone to answer them all. Okay, so 1 minute. Loina, Ala, Kapua, Erika. Let's see if you guys can get it too. I don't know. You may have forgotten. I realized that the B class, you're getting a lot of more things that the A class never. You're getting a lot more songs. You're getting a lot more interact, like the kākou. They never got that kākou thing. So you guys are lucky. Yeah. Okay. Who wants to try and say all 4 of them?
Go. What's this? This one.
Oh yeah, who's that? I can't find it.
What's this one? This one?
Oh, that.
This one? Okay.
Is that, Bridget? Yeah, can you just do that one more time?
Yeah,
Sorry.
okay. What is this loud? Do it, Kaya. Go. Look, everybody's listening. Go. Umikumawa. Umikumahiku.
Yay! What's Owaiko Inoa? Owaiko Inoa?
Owaiko Inoa? O Kai'ea Ko'u Inoa?
Okay, Kai'ea, I have a Kai'ea present for you. Yay!
Oh, Say
So,
mahalo.
Mom, if you can just send your chat to, or the address in.
Sure, thank
Make
you.
sure to copy it, because last time I didn't copy, I had to look for everyone's addresses. I was like, what the heck? Yeah, but yeah, thank you. Thank you, Kai'ea. Round of applause for Kai'ea. Thank you. Okay. This next part, we're just going to go over it quickly just because we need it to answer some of our questions. And that's pretty much just to get up to 31, or actually, no, we need it for everything. So yeah. This is when you have the tens places. So 20 and above, these are what you're going to be using for that, 20 and above. Okay, so the only difference between everything else, between 30 through 90, is going to be e ho'opili mai, iwa kā lua. Iwa kā lua. Okay, so you see lua in the sentence. So what do you think that would be? Iwa kā lua. You guys can type it in. Good, good. So you see 2. Elua meaning 2, so that's going to be 20. Okay, 20. So iwa kā lua, then everything after that is pretty much kana kolu would be 30. Kana ha would be 40. Kana lima would be 50. Okay, and I know some of you are like, I just learned how to count to 10. How am I going to count to 200? But sorry, you will. So, okay, let's just do the same thing. So knowing that, all those ones, let's give me 90 in the chat. What would 90 be? Flashcards. I think you know. Good, y'all. Good job. Okay, my cutty. All right, Midori, what is 90 in ʻŌLELO Hawaii?
Kanaiwa.
Kanaiwa, my cutty. Okay, so kanaiwa. And let's do one more. Let's do 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. 70. Good. Good. You guys get them. I'm not too worried. Hopefully you guys know what your numbers are. If not, this will always be here in the in your lesson on Google Classroom, and if you have the link, then you can always access this. Okay, so I don't know if there might be someone over 100 in this class, but I mean, congrats. But this is how you'd say 100. Ho'okahi haneli. Ho'okahi haneli. Repeat after me. Ho'okahi haneli. And you hear haneli comes from haneri, which is kind of how we got 100. Okay, so ho'okahi haneli. And if there's anyone in 200, over 200, then bye. You're scary. Okay, so that's ʻELO haneli. All right. Okay, so I think everyone's over 20 except for Kai'ea and maybe Azrae, but I'm gonna have you guys figure out your age. So I know age is a touchy subject for some, but again, who cares? We're not judging. So if you guys can all figure out your age, you can just put that privately in the chat for me, or if you're comfortable telling everyone, I'm 65 and I'm proud. Yes, Irene. Hit it, Irene. Okay, good. Yeah, as they come in, if you need help, please put your number in the chat and put a question mark, and then maybe Nena Ala Kapo and Erika can help us out. Yes, Kanaha Kumaha, good. 61, I hope. Okay, I'm 28, so I would be Iwakalua Kumavalu. Oh, Kikaimalu. Yeah, 37. If someone can help her with 37, or I can help you actually. Kanakolu Kumahiku. Kanakolu Kumahiku. Okay, Makai. Okay, and that's going to come in handy in a little bit as we move on to our questions part. I know, this is not even POW yet. Okay, good. Again, if you have questions, put the question mark after the numerical number, and one of our kākou can help you out. No one's shamed. They just tell their age. I love it. Okay, we're just going to move on. We're just going to charge through. And this is our question for the first one. E ho'opiri mai. ʻEHIA OU MAKAHIKI. ʻEHIA OU MAKAHIKI. Okay, let's go second page. Randall, can you, e ho'opini mai, repeat after me? ʻEHIA OU MAKAHIKI.
Oh, where are we? ʻEHIA OU MAKAHIKI.
Okay, so what does that mean? What does that ask?
How old are you?
How old are you? Okay, so ʻEHIA OU MAKAHIKI, how old are you? It's literally asking how many years do you have? So not necessarily how old are you, but it's a little bit more Hawaiianized style of asking questions. So how many years do you have? Yeah. So for to answer, you would say he, and then the number, he age, o'u makahiki. So he, for me, iwakalu kumavalu, o'u makahiki. Okay, so good thing we got our numbers. Can you guys now type in your answer for that? He iwakalu kumavalu, o'u makahiki. He kanahiku kumaiwa, o'u makahiki. Yes. Good, good. Yeah. Okay, and of course I'm gonna call, but if you're not comfortable sharing your age to everyone, just say 21, which is iwakalu kumakahi. Okay.
All right. Underage.
Oh, hi. Okay, where'd I go? Here, my girl.
He umi kuma, where are we? He umi kuma lua, wait, he iwakalua kuma ewa, o'u makahiki.
Okay. Good job. Yeah, let's give her a round of applause. Let's go with second page. Allison Milham, I think hopefully you got the answer you needed.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
He kanakoluku mahiku o'u makahiki.
Makai, good job. And Savannah. I know how old you are, but Havana. Oh, sorry. Hō Mai.
He umikuma kahi o makahiki.
Wait, try one more time. Umikuma kahi is 11.
Oh, sorry. Kumahiku.
Yeah. Oh, makahiki. Good. And then let's do one more. Carrie. ʻEHIA o makahiki.
ʻEHIA o makahiki.
ʻEiwa OU MAKAHIKI.
Good, and that's actually great. Thank you. Because if you're younger than the age of 10, yes. If you're younger than that, you don't need the hey at the beginning, okay? But I didn't want to mention that because we're pretty much all old farts, except for these little kids over here. So, good job. Thank you. Okay, so we got that first question. We got our age. Perfect. Now we're gonna jump to our birthday. Okay, so our birthday, again, that's another important question that you may get often. And that's gonna be our mahina. This is what we're gonna learn right now. E ho'opili mai, mahina. Mahina, which means months. But what else does it mean? You heard mahina before. What else does mahina mean? Someone? Good, Lilia, right on it. Yes.
Moon.
Yeah, make the motion. What does it mean? Show us what
The moon.
mahina is. Yeah, the moon. Okay, so it means, it shows the lunar cycle or the lunar calendar, which is also can show our months. Okay, so in Hawaiian, we're gonna go over them, repeating after me. E ho'opili mai. Januari.
Januari.
Januari. Hit it. Yeah, whoever's mic is on, leave it on. It's fine. You can repeat after me. Okay, Januari is January. Next one, we're in the current month of E ho'opili mai. Pepeluali. Oh, she turned it off. Okay, Pepeluali is February. Okay, Pepeluali. If you hear, kind of has a similar sound. Pepeluali, yeah, that. Okay, next one we have Malaki. Good. March. Apelila. Pronouncing the Okina. Apelila is April. Thank you. This next one, of course, is probably the easiest. May. Same thing. Okay. Right here, it's not an L. You're not going to say lune. You're going to say yune. And that kind of vowel cluster, yune, may sound like it sounds weird to our ears, but just get used to saying yune, June. And then that, because it also comes in handy in Yulai, you're a liar, Yulai. That's what I remember. You lie. You're a liar. Okay, so Yulai is July. Okay. Then you have right here you have Aukake, August. Kepake Mapa, that's the longest one. So Kepake Mapa, Sepate Mapa, that's what we translated as September. Okakopa, October. Novemapa, November. And Keke Mapa, pronouncing with the kākou. Keke Mapa. Thank you. Okay. Good. So what I want you guys to do is in the chat, put your month of your birthday. Your birth month in Hawaiian. Yeah. Okay. Good. Whoa. A lot of Mays. Good. I love May. I'm a May. You like baby? Good. Okay. All right. So for me, yes, I'm in May. That's my birth month. If you want to screenshot this, you have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye. Okay. So what month were you born in? What day? And then now give me the day you were born in. So that's why I kind of wanted to go to 31. So what day? Again, no one's going to be stealing your credit card info. So just put it so you can practice. I hope you think I'm funny and I'm not weird. I mean, I am weird, but I hope I'm funny and weird. I hope I'm both. Okay, good. So we have that, and now we can answer our next question, which is our birthday question. All right, which is like, whoa, this is a long one. But repeat after me. I'm gonna call on Ethan. Can you mai? ʻOka lā ʻEHIA KOU LÀ HÀNAU.
KOU LÀ HÀNAU.
Okay. So when is your birthday? Again, kind of different. ʻEHIA is like which or how many, but in this case, which. So which day is your day of birth? You know, but I mean, layman's terms are going to say, when is your birthday? Okay, so this is how we would answer. We take out la, or we take out ʻEHIA, and then we're going to put in la, the number, o, month, which is day of the month, KOU LÀ HÀNAU. Okay, again, we're just taking the information, throwing it in, information in. And we're almost at 7:30, so if you have to ha'alele, bye Felicia, see you next class. Erika, can you send it one more time? Thank you. All right, so for me, or repeat after me. ʻOka lā ʻEiwa o Mei KOU LÀ Hānau. So that's my answer. My birthday is May 9th. My birthday is the 9th day of May. Okay, and you guys are already ahead of me. If you guys can type your answer in using those information that we had in the previous chat part. Yeah, and then you know how to say your birthday in Hawaiian. So ʻOka lā ʻEiwa o Mei KOU LÀ Hānau. Okay, good. Write the year too, so I can steal your credit card info. Yeah. Just kidding, I'm gonna get arrested. All right.
Mine to the limit already, you can spin anyway.
Oh, mine's too, man. All three of mine. Nah, I'm just kidding.
I'm not kidding, no.
Yeah. Okay, good. So we have that in the chat. All right, I'm gonna call randomly. Yanis Torres. ʻOka lā ʻEHIA KOU LÀ Hānau.
What was that, Kumu?
Right here. ʻOka lā ʻEHIA KOU LΑ Hānau. When is your birthday?
O ka lā e walu o ʻAukake KOU LÀ HāNAU.
Okay. You wanna answer too, or?
Oh yeah. Ai. O ka lā iwa ka lua kumawalu o ke September. What is September?
Yeah. Here.
That was a long one.
Yeah, ke mapa.
Yeah.
Ke pake mapa KOU LÀ HāNAU.
Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, let's do one more. Barbara. I'm not even gonna try. Can you say your last name too?
You'd never guessed, Barish.
Barish, love. Okay. ʻOka lā ʻEHIA KOU Lāʻ hānau.
ʻOka lā ʻumikumalua.
Yep.
O noe mapa KOU LΑ HāNAU.
So I'm just guessing November 12th. Is that correct? Good job. Okay. And one more. Let's go someone on the second page. Sorry, second page. I always leave you out. Aaliyah.
Oh, let's see. O ka lā ʻAukake iwa ka lua kumaha KOU LΑ HāNAU.
Yep, you're right there. You just gotta switch them around and put O. So iwa ka lua kumaha o ʻAukake. But yeah, no, don't worry.
Oh, I.
You wanna try again?
Try again? Okay, what I put, I got confused. What I put the O?
So you put O, you're gonna say number O month. Number O.
Oh, number O month. Okay. Okay. O ka lā iwa ka lua kumaha ʻAukake KOU LA HāNAU.
Good job. Okay, good. I'm gonna send you a prize too, because I saw like 30 different emotions on your face the past 5-10 seconds. So good.
No, Kumo, I got the bird book last week. Don't give me the bird book. Although I'm really excited about the bird book.
I just dropped the book off at your house because I was in the area. Yeah. Sorry.
Oh, mahalo! I'll go look in the box.
Okay, thank you. Okay, well that was okay. There was a lot of emotions on your face, which it's just good because that shows language. It's tricky, but we're gonna work through it together. Yeah. There you go. All right, so this next one is easy because we're all gonna say the same thing. So this is how you would say what is today's date? O ka lā ʻEHIA kēia. So you saw the last one was o ka lā ʻEHIA KOU LÀ HÀNAU. So this is gonna be o ka lā ʻEHIA kēia. What is today's date, or what is this day? What is this date? Okay, hui hou here, boy, girl. All right, so let's see if you guys can just take a guess. Take a stab at it. What is, how would you say that? Today is what is today? The 11th of February, yeah. 11th of February. Okay, if you guys need to review the month, we're gonna go Pepe Luali, yeah, or there you go. Good. Okay, someone just randomly turn on your mic. What is today's date? O ka lā ʻEHIA kēia.
O ka lā ʻumikumakahiki o Pepe Luali.
Kēia. Yeah.
Kēia.
Good. Thank you. O ka lā ʻumikumakahiki o Pepe Luali kēia lā. Okay. Copy that. Save that for later because we're gonna bring that up again in our breakout room. Do we need to go over this? I want to kind of dedicate a whole lesson to this. So, what time is it? 7:30. Okay, let me just give you the time then. So everyone just repeat after me. This is how you would say what current time it is. So we're just going to go with 7:30. We'll round down. So when you have half hour, you're going to say hapalua, e ho'opili mai, hapalua, hola. And not like hola in Spanish, hola. You're going to pronounce that H. So, o ka hapalua hola 7, ehiku kēia. It is 7:30 o'clock, or 7:30. O ka hapalua hola ehiku kēia. Can you guys just type that in the chat just so that you can have it for your breakout room? So you're just typing that same thing. O ka hapalua hola ehiku kēia. Good. Good. Okay, so let's do some, I think we're gonna just go into our breakout rooms. We're gonna go with those same questions. So if Erika, if you can just post those answers again. You don't need to post the links. If you just answer, will be okay. But yeah, if you need a ha'alele, then we'll see you guys next class. Please sign up. But we're just gonna do some vala'au practice. Make sure we can ʻŌLELO. So again, we take turns, and we're taking your mic. You're gonna facilitate yourself. Be patient with your fellow Haumana, and leave positive comments. I'll try and come to every class, or one of us will. And yeah, if you run out of, or if you finish early, try and do some of these other things, these activities. So you can ask, of course, how old you are, your birthday, what today's date is, and what time is it. And if you are maka'i, then just do count by 10, count by 2s, count by 5. And yeah, okay, let's do this. And introduce yourself when you go to breakout rooms. Oh yeah, 4 is good. We'll go 4 in each room, and we'll have 12 rooms. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Bye. 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 Hello, Linda. You know how to get into the breakout room? So there should be an invitation, like to go into a room. Hopefully you saw it. Good. She's fine. Oh, aloha. You got kicked out.
Kumu, I have to go. I have to feed the kids.
Okay, no worries. Thank you. I'll see you next. Yo, mahalo. And then your address you sent, yeah?
I put the address in the chat, but if you need, I can email it to you either way.
Yeah, I rather because I had to look through each one.
Yeah. I'll email it to you.
Okay, perfect.
Mahalo.
Thank you, Kaya. Aloha.
He said, thank you, Kaya. Yeah, aloha.
Oh, hello. Ikulo ano enoe. Ikiva iko. Lola makalike. O ikaw kumu.
Where's your kumu?
Kumu kahala hilaki.
Oh, may kai. Huiho.
Uyo.
Okay, where should I go? Let's go this one.
ʻO Makahiki. Hi, Makai. Okay, o ka lā ʻEHIA KOU LÀ HÀNAU.
Okay, this one is actually about the days of the week. So I don't think we know that one. So we'll just do the last one. Okay, that's what you just answered is the question.
Yes, Kau'i. I was speaking my Hawaiian, but I guess Marlene is my name as well. Aloha. He kanalima kumaka.
Something.
Oh, sorry. This is Marlene. He kanalima kumahiku OU MAKAHIKI. Aloha, everyone. Sorry, this is my first time, so I'm a little rusty.
Hi, Auntie.
Aloha.
This is Lena Ala's mom, too, so aloha, Auntie.
Oh, aloha kahano'ola.
Thank you for being here.
Oh, thank you.
Well, all
Thank
of
you.
you.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, no worries. Hopefully I didn't scare you off.
No, not at all.
Introducing
I'm having fun.
Yeah, you guys can continue. Sorry.
ʻO Makahiki.
Yeah.
Umi kuma kahi.
Umi kumalo o nove mapa. I remembered.
Oh, umi kuma kahi? Oh, God, it's February. Kepe something or other. Kepe Guali.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it. Good job.
Aloha kumu.
Hey, you guys are all cheaters. You guys went to a class before. You guys know already. You guys talk?
No. Umi kuma lua o February ma yapana keia.
Oh yes, one day ahead. Makai.
What are you asking us?
Down.
You guys want to try the number game? Count by fives. It might be hard, but no, it's not.
Fives aren't too bad.
Okay, yeah. So let's just go in order. Jamie, Akiko, Azure, Melissa, and Leonala. So I'll go. Elima.
Elima.
Oh no, you're gonna go the next five. Yeah.
Oh. Okay. So Umi.
Umi kuma lima.
Yeah.
Iva kalua.
Yep.
Iva kalua kuma lima.
Kanakolu.
Kanakolu elima.
Close.
Kumu elima.
Kuma lima.
Kuma elima.
Yeah. Okay.
Kana.
Kanaha. Azure, your mom's pointing to you, Azure.
Kanaha.
Kanaha kuma lima.
Yeah.
Kana lima.
Kanalima kumalima. That was forgot.
Kana ono.
Yeah. Yep, Akiko.
Hanao no kumalima.
Kanahiku.
Kanahiku kumalima.
Kanavalu.
Kanuvalu kuma elima.
Yeah, so you don't need
Lima.
yeah, you don't need the A. Good. Akiko.
Kanavalu kumalima. Kanaiva.
Kanaiva.
Kanaiva kuma lima.
Yeah.
Ho'okaki haneli.
Yay. Okay, by twos? Nah, just kidding.
No, that one's hard. That's too many.
Okay. I think everyone's done, yeah? Okay, let's close room. Bye.
Oh, that was so fast.
Sorry.
So stressful.
Too much well out. Not enough practice.
20 hands.
Good. Good, good, good. If everyone can mute yourselves, because y'all are too loud. Jesus. Robert, we heard you. You had it. Oh, shit.
I don't know how to get it over there. Oh, there it is.
Thank you. Yeah. All right, so hopefully that went well. Hopefully you met some new people. And let's take a quick picture so everyone shaka. 1, 2, 3. Okay, perfect. Yes, amazing. All right, so where are we? Yeah, I'm gonna anyone who never got a prize yet, actually. Anyone want to read their answers or answer the questions that we have? Kekai malu, yeah, kekai malu. Hey, aloha. ʻEHIA ʻO makahiki.
He iwa kalua kuma walu.
Yep.
OU Makahiki.
O ka lā ʻEHIA KOU LÀ HÀNAU.
O ka lā kana kolu o oka kopa KOU LÀ HÀNAU.
O ka lā ʻEHIA kēia.
O ka lā ʻume kumakahi o pepelo wali. Yeah. Keia.
Yeah. And o ka hola ʻEHIA kēia.
O ka hola ehiku hapalua hola ehiku.
Kēia. Yep.
Keia.
Good job. Okay, thank you. All right. Oh yeah, I got a prize for you. I know where you live, so I'll drop it off.
Oh, I know.
All right, thank you. Okay, so yes, that was really my ka'i. We finished before 8, so I think you guys deserve a song. So we'll sing a song if you guys want to stay. But next class, thank you again for joining us. Next class will be next week, Thursday. Erika, if you can send one more time, please. And it's not even but yeah, if you have questions, please stay. Next class is closed. Yes, thank you for reminding me. I try to open it right when we're done with this class. Or it might be open already. It should be open. Is it open? Maybe not.
Wait, are you gonna sing us a song?
Who is that? Yeah, I think. Ooh. What do you guys want to hear though?
NΑ
Okay, he can know. Okay, so yeah, it should be open, so you guys can register. Let me get my ukulele.
Mahalo.
Yeah.
Did you want me to stop by your house tomorrow? I can. If my mom is not working, I can see if we can stop by your house tomorrow.
Nah, no worries. I'm gonna be up on campus next week, so I can bring it.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Mahalo.
Okay. But yeah, if you guys want to go, see you guys next class. Ahui ho. I'm just gonna sing. I'm just gonna jam a little bit. So yeah. Okay. You guys gotta dance and stuff, so I'm not just looking at people just being bored, okay? We'll do one first. As I travel from place to place, some familiar and some strange, to hear the ancient chanting of our home. As I listen to the stories, my eyes have seen the glory. So let us raise our voice in song to save our land. Oh, Hawaii, stand together. It is now and forever to raise your voices and hold your banners high. Dancers sway, you're the board. We shall stand, asking as to guide the destinies of our generations, to sing and praise the glories of our land. Okay, sing it from home. Mama kakaua okuaina oke kakahiana ona oiwi o Hawaii nei no kula uie hawiha ai o lama Hawaii loa Hawaii loa kuli ke kākou Kame kaloka hie, kalame kavi hole au ʻEHIA. Oni pakako, alana kilana kinie, eola, eola, eola na kinie. Eola, eola, eola na kinie, eola. Eola, eola, eola na kinie. My ukulele was flat this whole time. Oh, whatever. Hello. Yeah. Hello, we need hula though. Someone that's hula. Someone that's a hula.
I don't know.
That's Anella. Come on, Anella.
Come on, Anella.
Get him. Come on.
I want all my ancestors to curse me just for being hula.
Is there money in the hula? Then I'll dance. Nah.
Too broke for that.
Lina, do you have a dance? Or Anella? I heard Anella. Oh, Hano Haiku. I don't sing that one. Who sings that? Okay, I'll try my best, but it's too high though, Karen. But yeah, I'll try it. Okay, I'm gonna put your screen on the big screen. Okay, let me pin your screen. Where's Karen? Wait. Come on, yeah. There you are. Okay. Pin. Okay. Oh, a nice shirt too. Nope. Yeah, too high. Okay, ready? We'll do 1-1-1 and then 2 haina. Okay. Mahalo. Hano haiku e ke I hano hano again. Hano hano haiku ke aku I poli e pali Hō Mai Oh, I missed the verse. What verse was it? Aina, aina, kapuana, Aloha, ahano hano haidu, Aina, aina, kapuana, Aloha, hano hano haidu, Hello, there, Karen.
Hi, Maikai, Karen. Maikai.
Hey, now she can
Karen, do you dance for Kumu Patrick Makuakane?
Yeah.
You do? That was my Kumu too.
Oh, Mary, you should dance too.
Oh God! Yeah, forever.
Okay, who's next? Loina Ala's next. Loina Ala. Okay. Papalina?
I only have one. Okay, I can do Papalina.
I mean,
I
everyone
just gotta do things first.
I'm gonna turn off my recording.